Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit portraits in Picsart. So to do that, open your Picsart application. So when you open your Picsart application, this time around you come to this search icon over here. Then when you come to the search icon, search for portrait. So when you search for portrait, they'll give you a couple of portraits over here. So you can use this as your templates. So I'll select this one over here. Then after selecting this, I'll tap on use image. So it will start downloading. Then when it finishes downloading, I'll just come to this X icon here. So as you can see, this is a portrait and I'm going to be editing it. So I can add some effects if I want. I'll add that effect. Then after that, I'll just tap on the tick. So when you're done editing your portrait, you can basically come and tap on the tick. Then you basically can come and save your portrait in your gallery. So that's how to edit portraits in Picsart. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.